Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on August 20th. First, enslaved Africans arrive in Jamestown, 1619. On August 20th, 1619, about 20 Africans arrived at Point Comfort in Jamestown, Virginia. This event marked the beginning of slavery in the English colonies, a system that would shape America's economy, culture, and society for centuries. Some historians say they were first treated as servants, but their arrival soon led to lifelong bondage. It was a tragic turning point that brought suffering and inequality. Today, it is remembered as a painful chapter in history and a tribute to the resilience of those who endured it. Tchaikovsky's 1812 Overture premieres 1882. On August 20, 1882, Pyotr Ilyich Tchaikovsky's 1812 Overture premiered in Moscow. The piece was written to celebrate Russia's victory over Napoleon and became famous for its dramatic use of cannons and church bells. It captured the spirit of strength and resilience, quickly becoming a symbol of national pride. Even today, it is performed at concerts and fireworks shows around the world. The music continues to inspire audiences and proves how art can bring history to life. Winston Churchill's Few Speech, 1940. On August 20, 1940, Winston Churchill delivered his famous Few Speech during World War II. He praised Royal Air Force pilots for their courage in defending Britain, saying, "Never was so much owed by so many to so few." His words boosted morale during dark times and became a symbol of bravery. The speech is still remembered as one of the most powerful in history. Viking 1 probe launched toward Mars, 1975. On August 20, 1975, NASA launched Viking 1, the first spacecraft designed to successfully land on Mars. The probe carried cameras and scientific instruments that sent back detailed photos and important data about the planet's surface and atmosphere. Its discoveries gave scientists a closer look at Mars than ever before and sparked new questions about the possibility of life beyond Earth. Viking 1's mission opened a new era of space exploration and remains a historic milestone in humanity's quest to understand the Red Planet. Voyager to spacecraft launches 1977. On August 20, 1977, NASA launched Voyager 2 on a mission to explore the outer planets. It flew past Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, sending back remarkable images and discoveries. Today, Voyager 2 is one of the few spacecraft to travel beyond the solar system, still sending signals from deep space. Its journey remains a symbol of human curiosity and the drive to explore the unknown. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.